Hello everybody, welcome back to the 30-day decluttering challenge, and today we are back in the kitchen. It's supposed to be a drawer or a cabinet or drawers or cabinets depending on your situation, and that's what we're decluttering today. Stuff in the kitchen, and I'm going to work on these cabinets, and there's cabinets below here too, and I'm going to work on those if I have time. And I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes, and I'm just going to talk you through my process. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. And I think that we're supposed to be in the cabinets and drawers, but on top of my cabinet here, I have a big mess. And really that's mostly where we buy groceries and then don't bother putting them away. And then some of it is some other stuff. But I'm going to get that out of the way first, because it's really hard to focus on a drawer when the surface is not happy, and it only takes like a minute to do it. So if you're in my boat, feel free to do what I'm doing or not. Make it work for you. I'm going to start the timer. We're going to do this. Timer 10. Not 18. No. Off. Okay. Timer 10 and go. Okay. All right. So I was supposed to wrap this for Rosie for Christmas. So I'm just going to throw it over there in the wrapping area. All right, and then I have some nice pie shells. And honestly, like, this is just not going to be interesting enough, so I'm not going to make you listen to this. I'm going to put it on time lapse. Okay, so it took me the whole first 5 minutes of my 10 minutes to get this counter cleaned off, but it is officially cleaned off now. This is all stuff we use every day, and I think my digital photo album is broken. It's not playing any photos at all after replugging it back in. I'm concerned it's stuck on the screen, so that's sad. But now I'm going to go through these cabinets, and since they're over full, I'm going to have to pull everything down to see what I even have up here. Let's see, this is saltine crackers, and they actually go in the saltine cracker box. I'm like falling off my ladder. Anyway, I have got a lot of food in here to work through, and I am way up in the sky because that is how tall this shelf is, and that is why it is not a good shelf, because I can't reach anything in it. So anything that I want to eat regularly does need to be in here. Look at these awesome looking Girl Scout cookies. They're like the peanut butter kind. The only person in this house who can really eat that is Alan. So until he eats it, it's just there. Girl Scout cookies. I'll put that label out because some people like, I love Girl Scout cookies, I eat them, but I can't handle wheat. It makes me really sad, but it's just facts. And that's life sometimes. Look at that, another box of saltine crackers I didn't know I had. All right, what do you know? Okay, so these are important. Ritz crackers get used every day in this house. I'm one of my people. These are short, so I'll let them go in front. And then this needs to go to a different shelf. Oh boy. I can't get anybody, I don't think my kids eat cinnamon teddy grams. Who doesn't want to eat cinnamon teddy grams? This is the kind of house I want. Perfectly good bag of Cheez-Its. Well, my time is up, and I spent almost all of it on the counter. But hey, you did see I got to throw away a few boxes, so that was something. Okay. Well, that's life. I'm going to turn off that timer. Ugh, I just can't take it. So, I did find a grand total of one thing to give away. And it's just a Christmas ornament that I don't need. Anyway, so I'm gonna give that one thing away, and then I found several boxes of things to throw away. So that was something. Anyway, the best thing is look at how nice my counters are. So if you're like me and it would benefit you more to do your countertops than a cabinet, then go ahead. Otherwise, go for a good cabinet, man. I could have really dug through some of that food a lot more, but I want to go Christmas shopping today, so that's gonna be enough, and I'm out of here, and I hope you have a great day decluttering. For more of the challenge, visit my website, gettingmyactogether.com, and thanks for joining me.